Huh.
I got potato salad last year too at the car show.
That's true, he did.
The same thing.
But, alright, y'all, Spidey was showing me this. He noticed this on this 57 T-Bird. Check out these LED lights. That's pretty cool. But the interior is so nicely done. This is a gorgeous car. '53 vet. That's sexy. Now, what I was referring to as we refer to as a Rob Zombie special. If anybody's a Rob Zombie fan, think back to the song Dragula. Well, Rob Zombie was in something that was kind of close to this.
120 miles per hour.
Yep. And this is the exhaust system that comes out from the exhaust.
Okay.
And this is the suspension.
Imagine this.
Kind of close, but the one that was in that video actually was kind of different because it actually had the hard top. This is a different looking. I've never seen one like this. This is really cool. The reason why I say this is
Chevy Cane.
I've never seen one of these. Spidey. But check out the back end of this. Yeah, look at the wood grain. That is really sharp.
That is
I really
clean
like
wood.
that.
I can see my reflection kinda. Oh, this wheel is so clean.
That one's going over some body work right there.
Yeah, it's still a pretty sharp little car though.
So I hear cars.
55 Chevy Vet. Gorgeous car. And of course, this one it's kind of cool, little Nash. I always like the little ones like this. Of course, I kind of refer to this as the Harry Potter car. Because it's just like the one that, kind of similar to the one in the movie.
Ooh, look at that car. Looks like one of my racer Hot Wheels.
Get that on video. Shake and bake. Rick and Bobby.
Talladega. Ooh,
Go check this out.
this bike is really cool.
The airbrush skulls are awesome.
Motorcycle.
That
Yeah, look at the
is so
skulls on it.
cool.
Very cool.
I love the work. That is a gorgeous bike.
They kind of look like zombies.
Well, yeah, kind of.
Ooh,
Scary.
ooh. Speaking of other cars that kind of similar to some movies, check out the one that's pretty close to a James Bond special.
Oh, that's the shortest car I ever seen.
But then so weird.
That's Lord and me.
That is a 1955 Porsche 550 Spider. This one, I don't think this one was here last year, dude. Spidey. I don't think this one was here last year. Because I don't remember it. But it is a sharp little car.
See the motors in the back. So that's a gas tank filler in the front, right?
I believe so.
I think so.
Because all Porsches usually hit with their motors should be
Yeah,
right
It
in the
is.
back.
Because most of the British cars have it in the back.
Ow.